Hi! Welcome to BLA's production!
This is a place to be when you want authentic, fun stuff to watch from Jamaica. BLA Productions.
It is the channel and I am on it. Why not?
Yeah!
Of course. It's lots.
Why you don't leave the water alone, James?
Valerie, the water fresh.
James, then the water the most fresh, James.
Take the cup.
James, me not take
Valerie, take the cup. You need to take the cup of shit.
Why you behave? You can't do without me, James.
Hello. Thank you. So thank you so much for coming to Dr. Linda's office. How are you doing today, Valerie?
Me alright, doctor.
And may I ask who is this?
This is my husband. Oh, doctor, this is my husband. Husband need doctor.
I saw you disrespectful. You must realize it is my wife.
Okay, nice to meet you, Mr. James. Thank you for coming.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Okay, let's get past that.
He is a jealous man, doctor.
You
Because
know-
he was a young girl, they look at me like as a young boy.
Valerie.
Alright, James.
He shouldn't be jealous. Okay, so thank you so much for making it Dr. Linda's office. Valerie, I have some interesting information for you.
Yes, doctor.
Are you comfortable with him in the room?
That's what a question you're asking me.
James, relax yourself now,
She's
James.
my wife. Whatever you're telling her, I must hear.
Alright, Mr. James, I totally understand that.
Of course
nothing
I
to
do.
get
Of
upset.
course I do.
Nothing to get upset about, Mr. James.
You don't tell me when to get upset. It's my wife, not yours.
James, why not breathe, James?
Tell Valerie I know if it talk.
If you keep behaving like this, I'm not going to be able
Doctor, just give her the result if you go on.
Yes, doctor,
She spent too much time in this office. Doctor.
James, I get me upset, you know, man.
Okay, Valerie, what I'm about to tell you, I don't want you to stress or to feel like you're going to have pressure.
Me not go have no
God,
pressure,
God, this
sorry.
a doctor, you
Sorry, which pressure me have? Sorry.
And Valerie, take time. You're talking too loud, Valerie. Doctor, speak.
Thank you, Mr. James. Okay, so, Valerie, your blood test result came back last week.
Yes, doctor.
And that's why I called in office to speak with you. No, I'm seeing you have some complications that,
What do you mean complication is that?
she has sugar.
Sugar?
And Valerie, everybody has
Sugar,
sugar.
what do you mean?
Doctor, yeah, sugar.
What she was giving more sex than this and that.
What kind of sugar she could have,
She's diabetic, Mr. James.
What that mean?
She is diagnosed with a sickness.
But first he said me have sugar, and then now he said me
You
diabetic.
can't give her two one time. You said she diabetic. No, she have sugar.
Exactly. I was trying to get your degree from church.
The University of the West Indies, I did study my doctor. Can I have a PhD, ma'am?
No, me you never did have your answer me doctor, but me just say, seriously,
Then move on.
Mrs.
You say
Valerie,
it's a complication.
Yes.
So move on.
But she's diagnosed with sugar. It's diabetic.
When we go home, we replace it with the salt. Just
Yeah,
move
yeah.
on. Move on, doc. Move on. Too much of the talking.
In order for you to get rid of this diabetic, because I realize you're at stage 2 and you're going to be getting some
So
medication.
what you
Then
mean?
from
say
so
me
long
upstairs?
she-
So
from she-
me don't want the upstairs too. Me want the down at the bottom, sir. Put me back down at the bottom. Me not go back up. Me want the up one, sir.
Valerie, what kind of doctor is you bring me to,
Me don't want you don't see
Can I
me,
have
sir.
a moment of
And
silence?
the girl Marlene recommend me to this. I don't stop there, you know, James.
Alright, Valerie, I'm leaving.
James, wait, James,
James, you cannot leave that.
Say the rest of the thing then, we
If
could
you
leave.
if you don't take this medication for your wife, right? You're going to lose her very soon. And later, whatever sickness she have to get medication to treat it, because if she don't treat it, then she's in problems.
Lord, then that, what else is wrong with her?
She need to get some penicillin.
Something, what?
Then that, we have pen at home, we have hot
No,
pen,
me
cold
don't want
pen.
pen. Look how much pen. Look here. Me even give her some pen from back to school the other day.
No, ma'am.
Me don't want no more pen on me hand.
Listen.
Me see them a sell how much pen or five.
Valerie, make the doctor explain. Because you're talking, and you're not even listening. Valerie, just
Valerie,
listen for me, Valerie.
You
Listen.
have to get penicillin for the diabetic.
Me getting old.
Not only that, you have arthritis and you have gastroenteritis. You have hole in your heart.
Me have one big old cylinder gas on me hand. Who do you mean say me have gastroenteritis? Me no carry the cylinder with me. Me no carry the cylinder with me. Come here.
Valerie, we have the
What's
gas.
this?
Remember the gas in the car. We have the gas,
And you
Valerie.
never tell me say me want
It's what?
put me gas.
Doctor, then
The gas left
we
at
not-
home, you know.
you don't have no any gas, doc.
Me no have no gastroenteritis. The gas is at home. Me no walk with it for me. So who you gonna tell
Mrs. Valerie, you never been to the doctor as a kid, Mr. James.
Don't
It's
question
first
it.
coming to the doctor, you don't even know what is penicillin, sir?
I could even put little something of tears in this account, give me.
It's water,
This
what
are
you
just
expect?
fresh stuff. I'm not too cheap, man. I don't know make a bag of money. I don't know give people a so water. Nothing. If dry up their mouth, all this thing to wet up people's mouth.
Deal with this.
Bend up, write it something properly, let me understand it.
We can't even read this. All me see a page joining up. All me see a
You don't need to understand it. All you need
Then we're not taking it back if we can't understand it.
But
me can't understand this a prescription. You where you right that how we got to regard the place.
just give it to the pharmacist. She can assist you.
No, that's how
Then she give us the wrong thing.
James, we don't want
The
that.
last thing she give me wife running her belly. She not taking anything.
James, we don't want that. You know, James.
Okay, I'm going to write so you guys can understand.
Well, give her anything because she's soon dead. Come out of this backfoot, please.
No, James, you can't tell me say this
Leave me alone, man.
James, you don't want that.
Maybe this is Valerie, Valerie, come back here before you go. Valerie, before you go.
Valerie, man.
James, you can't tell me
Valerie,
say this.
you fuck, man. Valerie.